Hi, Venus.
Hey, Mommy.
What are you doing?
I ride bike.
You ride bike? You want to show Mommy again? What do you have in there? Tiger? Who's that? Oh, look, it's Tigger. Show me Tigger. Oh, cute.
What's a baby?
You want to show baby? You gonna ride your bike again? Come on, regular bike, like. Show Mommy how you ride your bike. Come here. Come here. Come on, come show Mommy how you ride your bike. Why are you going here? You're not gonna go. Okay, give it a little push. You want Mommy to push you? Push a little bit. Okay, go. You don't run over that. Move the sponge?
The sponge is for bunny.
Mm-hmm. Bye, Venus. You want to go down the driveway?
Yeah. I feel it down the driveway.
Okay.